In this video, I'm going to show you how to use temporary tattoo paper. So the materials needed is temporary tattoo paper and adhesive paper, which comes together, scissors, a bowl of water, and a washcloth. This is the tattoo paper. It looks slightly glossy on one side, and the other is adhesive sheets. Okay, these are more glossy, so you'll be able to tell the difference. Step one is to go ahead and design your sticker. Now, I used canva.com. There's a lot of ways you can download images, but the most important thing to do is to download your images as a PNG file, which is best for high quality printing because we want those crisp images. Now, this is what it is ending up looking like. And step two is to load your tattoo paper into your printer. This is an inkjet printer, and you're going to move to step three, which is to adjust your settings. Now, for this, I recommend photo on glossy paper. That will print the most high quality and will make sure your images look nice and crisp, okay? So when you are printing, you're going to just allow it a little bit of time to dry, all right? So your image gets printed, check the quality, make sure it looks good, and allow roughly 5 minutes to allow the ink to dry, and check the stickers to make sure, okay, these look good. It looks like it's printed very nicely. So next we're gonna take our handy adhesive sheet. We're gonna have our scissors, our bowl of water, and our washcloth ready so that we can move on to the next step, which is to apply your adhesive sheet onto the printed temporary tattoo paper. Now, the reason why you do this is so that the tattoo paper has a sticky side. That's what the adhesive sheet does. It's going to make your tattoo sticky so it can go and stick on your skin. All right, very important to do this. You're going to want to make sure use a squeegee or possibly an old credit card to get all the air bubbles out and make sure the adhesive sheet really sticks onto your temporary tattoo paper. Double check it to make sure there are no bubbles. Again, that the ink looks printed well. And on step 5, we're just going to cut out our printed images. You can just use a pair of scissors, and you're going to want to carefully cut around each individual image depending on how many you have. In this case, we have 6. And the nice thing is you don't have to cut all the way to the printed image. The border, the background that is non-printed, is not going to be transferred onto your skin. So don't worry about like a border or an outline showing up. It's not going to. So here we go on step 6. We're going to peel off the adhesive sheet, and we're going to get ready to place the tattoo onto our skin. This is the fun part. So right here in step 7, I am applying the tattoo. All right, you're going to want to press down for about 20 seconds and allow that to set in. Next, in step 8, you're going to want to use a wet washcloth and make sure that it gets nice and soaked up into the tattoo. Do that for about 30 to 60 seconds. And then step 9 is to remove the paper backing. And here you go. This is the final result of the tattoo. But unfortunately, muscles are sold separately. Hope this tutorial helped. Make sure you're subscribed.